Okay, you've got your threads cleaned, greased. The interior of the clamp head is cleaned, lightly lubricated with oil. You take your old washer, put it back on the same way you took it off, and you mount the head just like that. The head, the washer, same way. Your flat washer, and then your E-clip. Now you press your E-clip in first like that, and then tap it in using the OTLVISE wrench. It'll get seated in there, and then you can pry it on with your staple puller. It's simple. And then it will just lock right in. Everything's clean and free of debris. It'll wear a lot longer this way. Looks like my relative's Gatling gun invention. Again, just a little weld made on the nut right there. And that's it. And it still opens to 2.5 inches. And your maintenance is done for quite a long time again.